So in the first episode of this series, I said that I would explain what each actuator does, but since I'll be kind of boring, I'm just going to show you. Alright, so we have the rocket all set up, so I'm going to press this button and see if it lights. Oh, it's coming down. So, the exoskeleton's done. I've got a couple things to say about it. If I could sum this entire project up into one word, it would be good design, bad planning. That's one word, right? My biggest mistake during the making of this project was the planning portion. I didn't plan out the design, the materials, the amount of money I'm going to be spending on it, the amount of time I'm going to be spending on this. I didn't plan out any of that, which ultimately cost me. My mindset during this project was, I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. I ended up spending a lot more money than I was hoping to. I ended up spending a lot more time than I was hoping to. And there were times during this project when I was thinking, why did I do this? When I came to a problem that I didn't have a solution for, it made the project 10 times more difficult. An example being, I didn't plan out any pneumatics. When I got to the pneumatics, I'm like, oh shoot, how am I going to control all the actuators with two hands? I ultimately solved that, but it took a long time. Even a small detail such as how am I going to wear this? I also solved that problem, but again, it took a long time because I didn't plan it on the beginning. Now, besides from the problems, I'm very proud of this. It's not able to hold a lot of weight. It wasn't even supposed to hold a lot of weight. My original goal was to have flexibility, be able to have a wide range of motions that are still powered by actuators. So be able to be flexible with still having a rigid steel frame. I succeeded, I think. I was able to copy many of the human body's movements just using joints and stuff. So in that aspect, I'm very proud of this. I'm also proud of how I was able to make it fit me. I was able to put cool weapons on it, which are still safe. And I was also able to control everything with my two hands. I'm glad that almost every joint worked out exactly how I planned it. So I'm very happy with this. Although it's not able to hold a lot of weight, it still feels amazing to be wearing it. So back to the not planning things out, that's kind of a good thing. I learned from my mistakes, and so now from now on I'll be able to have a better engineering mindset. The project was also a huge learning opportunity. I learned how to weld, cut steel, use electronics, use pneumatics. It was a very educational project. Overall, I would say this thing was a fun build. I'd say that it was totally worth it. One final thought on this project. Do not build this at home. I built this for entertainment purposes only, not to be replicated. If you do replicate it, I am not responsible for any injuries received. Glad we got that out of the way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I put a lot of effort into my videos and this entire project, so I would really appreciate it if you were to like this video, leave a comment, and while you're there, subscribe. And also, go check out the other videos on the channel. Want to see how I made a prototype of the Hulkbuster Punching Fist? Boom, right there. Want to see the EXO Part 1, how this whole channel started? Boom, right there. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.